Alright, so looking at number 25 now, we've got Na2SO4 plus AgNO3. Now what I'll do is I'll draw out pictures of these so that we know what they look like. So we've got NaSO4, and we've got Ag and NO3. And what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what combines with what. So we know that's going to combine with that, and that's going to combine with that. So we've got Na will combine with the NO3, Ag will combine with the SO4. Now Na2SO4, when we draw it out, has two Nas and an SO4. Now we know the SO4 is -2. That means that that's going to be positive and that's going to be positive, so that all balances out. Likewise, we know that NO3 is 1 negative. We get that off the polyatomic ion chart, just like we get this one off there, and that would make the silver 1 plus. When we're figuring out what combines with what, we're just going to take one of everything over to the other side. So it's going to be 1 Na plus and NO3 minus, and we're going to join the Ag plus and the SO4 2 minus. So it's just one of everything over to the other side. I know there's two sodiums over here, but we're just taking the one over so we can figure out what goes on here. And we've got Na plus, NO3 minus, Ag plus, and SO4 2 minus. Okay, so that's how we get the charges, and just remembering we're just taking one of everything over to the other side. I'm going to rewrite this. Na2SO4 plus AgNO3. Now when the Na plus and NO3 join together, they just join together to form NaNO3, 1 plus 1 minus. And over here we've got Ag plus and SO4 2 minus. I'm going to need two of these to balance that out, so it'll become Ag2SO4. If I look on the solubility chart, this is going to be the solid Ag2SO4, and these here are all going to be aqueous. And again, I won't write aqueous on the ones that are aqueous. Okay, so now that's part A. Actually, we still got to balance this out. We've got two NAs here and one Na here, so I'll put a 2 in front of here to balance that. And that means I need to put a 2 in front of here to balance that. That could be two silvers, and I've got two silvers over here. So now that's balanced. So that's part A done. Now we need to look at part B. For part B, we're going to show how everything splits into ions. So drawing a picture of Na2SO4 is going to look like this: Na, and SO4. AgNO3 is two of those. That's going to look like this. And looking at the charges, we just grabbed the charges from back up here as well. So we've got Na plus, SO4 2 minus, Ag plus, NO3 minus, Ag plus, NO3 minus. Down here we've got NaNO3, and we've got two of those. So that's going to be negative, negative, positive, positive. And the silver sulfate doesn't split up into ions because it's a solid. Alright, so now I can go ahead and draw out the full Ionic equation. It's going to look like this. It's going to be there's going to be two Na pluses. There's going to be one SO4 2 minus. There's going to be two Ag pluses, and there's going to be two NO3 negatives. Here there's going to be two Na pluses, whoops, and two NO3 negatives, and Ag2SO4 solid. Alright, so that's part B done. That's a full Ionic equation. Now I'm going to do part C, and what I'll do is I will copy what's here. Whoops. Alright, so this is for part C now. And again, what I'm going to do is cut out anything that's exactly the same on both sides. So we've got 2Na plus, 2Na plus, 2NO3 minus and 2NO3 minus. So what we'll have left is SO4 2 minus and 2Ag plus gives Ag2 SO4 solid, and that would be the net ionic equation. Now this could be written either way. You could go 2Ag plus SO4 2 minus, or you could leave it like this. It really doesn't matter. So everything works out in that way. So that would be the net ionic equation for number 25.